Show me loving. I need your.
Good morning, how are you doing? Welcome to this vlog. I'm starting it on a Sunday, and I'm starting it now because I'm expecting a delivery later and I want the delivery to find me. Having started this vlog, so that is that. And I also want to put this house in order. Like, let me show you. That is how it's looking, and then that is how it's looking. I want to basically vacuum the house, just that, vacuum the house, the seats and the carpet, and then mop the floor, just that. And then I am making breakfast. And I'm completing another vlog. I'm doing that in another vlog that I'm hoping will go up today, hopefully, fingers crossed. So that is that. I will see you later, maybe when I'm mopping the house, when I'm cleaning the house, or maybe when the delivery is here, one of those. But I will definitely see you later.
Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Need myself in enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I
Today is on a Monday. The long-awaited delivery was made yesterday, but I wasn't able to clean yesterday, so that is what I will be doing in this video before I show you my lovely mirror, which I love, and my coffee table or nesting stools, because they are nesting stools. I will be showing you that later, but for now, let us clean.
hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Guys, you have no idea of how much I'm loving my new vacuum cleaner. I am loving using it, especially on the couch before cleaning it using water. And I also love how effective and simplified it's making my cleaning nowadays. I am vacuuming the couch to remove any dust before cleaning it using water with a drop of Downy to make sure it smells nice. I'll also mop the floor behind the couch before returning the couch there.
best of times through colored glass.
Hello, that side is yet to be cleaned, but I have at least cleaned this side of the living room. At least it's looking clean and organized. I realized that I did most of the cleaning on time lapse. I want to do the same for the other side. So I want to go clean the other side, and then I will give you more details regarding the mirror. I know you have seen it in this bit. That is what was being delivered yesterday, and as you can see, we also don't have a coffee table. I got that delivered as well. I will show you later and give you more details later, but for now I think I will go clean the other side. And I didn't even vacuum when the mirror was mounted on that wall, so there is a little bit of dust. I will also be vacuuming the dining seats, wiping the tables and the chairs and all that general cleaning of that area, and then I will see you later to give you more details regarding the mirror and also regarding the coffee tables. I'll start by vacuuming the floor to get rid of any dust, especially the one that came as a result of drilling the wall to mount the mirror yesterday.
Rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
I'll then vacuum the dining seats to get rid of all dust before cleaning them with water and a few drops of Downy.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Guys, I have been loving using this soap-based floor disinfectant, especially because of how much bleach it saves me, because a few drops of it goes a long way and I don't have to use bleach at all because it's a disinfectant.
Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way
Hello, how are you doing? Hoping that you're doing well. I am back. I finished cleaning, but then I had to go somewhere real quick. But the good thing is that I am back and I want to finish shooting this video now, tonight, because it's at night and because I want this video to go up tomorrow. Tomorrow is on Tuesday, so hold me accountable if this video doesn't go up on Tuesday. Anyway, I want to show you the mirror and the coffee table. I know you saw them when I was cleaning, especially the mirror. I don't think you saw the coffee tables well. So that is what I want to show you in better angles, and then give you more information regarding them, tell you where I got them. And as always, you can ask me any question on the comment section below, but for now I think I will start by closing those curtains because it's at night, and then I will show you. So yeah, let me close the curtains. Guys, here are my tables. As you can see, I went with nesting stools, and I'm really glad I did. And I think the tables make this space look different from what it looked before. If you are new here, I will insert a photo here so that you can see the other table that we had. But I think this one looks nice because the space is small. I went with white, of course, because my TV stand is white, and also because I love white too much and because the space is tiny. So this is how they look. One thing that I love about them is how versatile they are. You can achieve different looks with them. Maybe if you are resting, you can do this, but because the space is small, I don't like when they are like this. So you can put them like that. You can achieve a number of looks with them, but personally I like them like this because I don't want them to occupy too much space, so that is okay. Also, don't mind about these marks. They got the marks when they were being transported. They will be repainted tomorrow by the same guys, so that is that. And what else have I not said? Oh, about the legs. I went with wooden legs, and I really do love that I did because the tables really look nice. That is how they look. I went with the wooden legs because I want the same wooden legs to be on the couch. The next couch I get will have legs because I want it lifted a little bit from the ground because small spaces. I can't wait to get rid of this one, guys, and I don't know why I am panting. I can't wait to get rid of this one, but for now it's serving the purpose, and I think the tables make it look a little bit better. So that is that. This is how our small space looks. Obviously, I am going to get a smaller couch because, as you can see, this one comes all the way here, and I don't like that about it. So maybe if the other one that I get will come up to here to leave some space here. Yeah, but we will see. You will see the couch definitely, but this is how it looks. Let me give you a shot of how this space looks before I can show you the mirror and tell you where we got the two of them, the tables and the mirrors, because we got them from the same place. So here is a shot of our small space. And here is our mirror. This mirror is giving me an excitement that I can't explain. It got here yesterday together with the tables, of course. It's 1.2 meters, that is 120 centimeters. Initially I wanted a mirror that was 152 centimeters, but the fully couldn't get one that was that wide, the diameter, so I opted to go with this one. Actually, that is why my delivery delayed, because I know you have been hearing me mention of deliveries that you haven't been seeing. This is what was being delivered. This mirror and the table, both of them were from, is it Rosador on Instagram, Rosadore. I will leave an Instagram page link on the description box below, but this is it. And I love the transformation that this mirror brings here. I really do love it. So that is how it looks, and this is how this space looks in general. I love the reflection of this, and I wish it was at the center because this one is more towards this side. It's not at the center. I wish it was at the center so that the reflection could be at the center, but that is not a problem. And also, why I decided to put this mirror here is because of the light, of course, and also because of this water dispenser. So that is that. I think it's at the center of the dining table. Yeah, so that is that. The only thing remaining here is for me to put a mat here, which I will be buying soon. I will be buying a carpet for this space soon, and also to get rid of this. Last time I got two buyers. I don't know what happened later. They didn't pay. So this one is still on sale. So if you want to buy this one, you can contact me on Instagram. My Instagram page is Kinyua. So yeah, that is that. I feel like I have been giving you a house tour of the whole house. So maybe I should even put that in the title. But this is it. This is our dining area. I love the dining area, more so because of the mirror and the light. So I think I will close this video here. That footage is definitely enough. If you have any question, kindly ask me on the comment section below. I will leave contacts of where I got the mirror and the tables as well on the description box below. You can contact them on Instagram, tell them that you've been sent by Miss Kinyua, and give this video a thumbs up because I'm doing it at night, because I want you guys to have a video for tomorrow. So please give this one a thumbs up. Comment on the comment section below. Let me know what you think about the video. Share it out with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.